Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Google Takeout to export photos. This is faster and reliable. Choose either full library or select specific albums because you control file size and structure. Once done, pick export format, ZIP for many files, or TGZ if you prefer. Make sure your external hard drive is connected and mounted. You want visible free space. Start the export now and expect an email when archives are ready. Do not unplug the drive while downloads run. Once you receive the takeout email, download each archive directly to your computer, not the external drive, to avoid partial writes. After download, verify integrity by comparing file sizes or using a checksum utility. This prevents wasted transfer time. Extract archives into a temporary local folder so you can inspect structure and metadata. Make sure sidecar JSON and timestamps are present. If everything looks correct, you're ready to copy to the external hard drive for long-term storage. Now copy the extracted photos to your external hard drive using copy software that preserves timestamps and metadata, rsync, fast copy, or Finder/Explorer with verification. Organize into year or album folders and create a simple index file so you can find sets later. Once transfer completes, safely eject the drive. If you hit a read/write error or missing files, re-download the specific corrupted archive from takeout. Verify its checksum, then re-extract and retransfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.